EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, is the computing workhorse of the AWS cloud. Most people find EC2 to be the most familiar service to start their cloud journey, as it is similar to other virtual private server offerings from other providers. EC2 allows us to run virtual machines for Linux, Windows, and Mac workloads in a VPC network. An EC2 instance resides in a single subnet in a single availability zone. EC2 offers many instance sizes to fit your specific compute needs, from 1 core half-gig burstable instances up to monster machines with dozens of cores and terabytes of RAM. Instances can also have dedicated GPUs or on-instance storage for extreme data processing. To cluster EC2 instances together, we can use autoscaling groups to scale in and out to meet demand. Put this behind an Elastic load balancer, and we now have a highly available web service over multiple availability zones in a region. Thanks for watching EC2 Unstacked. Leave your questions down below and subscribe if you'd like to see more like this.